Just don't throw it down because I'll fucking fly in a car or something. Can you keep lifting it until this back end's off, yeah? Good morning. By about 10 minutes. Literally, we have just got here. It's 10 to 12. Absolute joke this morning. Got this morning. I come into work on Sunday to put some plastics on van out at lock-up. It was just getting a bit of a dump. Put them on. Went down to the skip place this morning, Jeff Skinner's. Tipped off, and I've just like on van, and I thought, do I need to? Is there something in wheel? Do I need to like smack, some coil or something to get it out of my wheel? Pulls over a big lump of wood with 4 screws in it, stuck into my freaking tyre. So I went to Adam's Tyres down Armley, and on way to motorway, and that didn't open well frigging 9 o'clock. So I was there. Then I went to my lock-up to go get the rotivator. Rotivator won't start. Absolute nightmare. So we've had to hire this one off MKM, which is literally 36 quid, 36 plus VAT a day. Anyway, we're here now, we're here. Minus Youngblood, but was like, we don't need 3 of us today. Just literally raking out, prepping, got a ton on van, that can get brought in. But yeah, I'm quite happy really, because otherwise it'd just been sat in van, wouldn't it? Getting paid by hour, sat in van, raking it in. But yeah, this is looking dry. There's a few puddles on it here and there, but we're gonna smash it. Turf's coming in the morning. 10 o'clock in the morning, turf's here by the wonderful Palmers. But guys, I'm off raking now, so I love you and I'll leave you. Right, so we're going to get the last bit of soil that we've got on van now, because we've put some over there, as you've seen. Bike shed, it was just a bog, and I was like, don't even put rotivated in it, just make it worse. Bring some soil in, go on top of it. So, we're just prepping for tomorrow. Get the rest of this soil in, and then we're going to go get a load today, take this rotivator back, and then we're ready for the morning to bring a load in. So, it looks massive now. Now that's sorted out, tidied up, the area looks big. I'm happy. I am happy. Customers happy. I'm happy. Bit of a stressful Monday, but hey, it's nearly on time. Catch you in a bit. So we're done. So we've got to get this on van now. I'm not going to film it because we'll probably end up breaking his neck. It's proper heavy compared to ours at home. Ours at home hasn't lock up. It's heavy. So like I say, tomorrow I'm going to focus on this. Oliver and Tom are going to get turfing. I believe there's a bit of a media team coming tomorrow. Did a bit of stuff for Palmer's before. And everyone saw it. We're on the cement mixer where you can go get your mortar for your bricks, and if you went every day but same colour, it's amazing. But no, I follow a car coming down drive. But yeah, they've got the media team again tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to try and go wash the van, I think. Get the van washed. Bit of promotion. But yeah guys, I will see you. There's not much gone on today, I'm sorry. I will say that before we go. We've been here since 11:30. It is now 3:30. So 4 hours. But it's prepped, done a stuff. We've got a ton of soil in. And then it's just all go tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get a better start than this morning. So guys, I'll leave you with that. I'll see you all tomorrow, 8 o'clock sharp.